like button, hit the subscribe button. Should we buy this cottage, Matt, is kind of what we're checking out here. And we are in Port Franks, Ontario. And we want to kind of always be leveling up a bit. So we're checking out some pretty cool cottages up here, and we're really thinking about maybe purchasing this one to bring the guys up here on the weekend and really decompress and really think bigger in our lives.
And we can still always rent hack things like this, right? So there's an Airbnb play, there's a lot of different opportunities with a building like this in this location. So it's definitely one of those aspirational things, but it's fun to bring into reality by coming and visiting it in person.
No, so these, it's like it's a right away, right? That's a fence, yeah. And everyone that lives here can come back.
This one is not the hardwood here, or don't know who they are, but yeah, I'm assuming what kind? Yeah. Pee thing, or they don't give a shit if you have drinks here, or?
Right here, you're fine. It's out on the boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in Port Franks, they will pull you over.
Yeah.
Out on the lake, it's easy.
Yeah.
It's on
once you're
in the cut of the river. Mm-hmm. They're in there just watching everybody come in and see what you're up to.
Yeah.
So every property here, they get a piece of the dock too. That's in the deed, right? That's correct. So they get to just go pick a spot and put the steps down to the water. 15 foot. That's pretty cool. So we're away from the water, but we're able to get down to it. And every property around here gets access to the water. So one of the things I could see is after a tough week getting here on a Friday night, and you got this amazing open area here, you can see me coming with my weekender bag, dropping it off, really decompressing by inviting friends over, clients, and entertaining here. That's what this place is built for. As you can see from the outside, look at the A-frame. It's really unique. It's very conversational pieced. I think that'll go a long way with really trying to, get away from the city, get away from business, and just come here and relax. So we will see. Should I purchase this property? Let me know down in the comment section. Good idea, Jeff, or bad idea, Jeff. Let me know. But I really like to think bigger sometimes. So maybe this is something I need. But I need your guys' vote. So let me know, and let's go check out the rest of the house. Dan's going to be putting a basketball net and court down. So that's going to be pretty cool. Picturing this all nicely fenced. It's going to be pretty cool. We're so close to the water, so we're going to be boating out here and just a couple minutes drive to the beach. So see campfires out here in the summer, and you can also still go to the beach, so that's pretty cool. And yeah. That's a good shot. There you go. What I was saying as well too is we could Airbnb this, which would really help with costs as well. And there's a big play for making money up here on Airbnb, so that's something that I want to look into because we can't be here all the time and using it for its highest and best use. So we got to make money somehow. So we're gonna probably let it go on Airbnb. We'll have to, there could be damage, but we'll deal with that, and that's what it is. But should be able to get it rented on the off days that we're not here and make some money, and that's what it's all about. What I love about all these windows is you can open them up straight like this, but also seal cracks open like this, and they came from Europe, so all the house here has this. like this, and it's the same thing in my house and also in the mansions. Pretty cool windows. If you're a European, you're just gonna say, yeah, that's a window, but if you're a North American, I love those windows.
Oh, that's nice with no seam.
That's nice, it opens right up. Did you put down here like a turf, or just keep it looking?
Well, I think he's already paid for the cement pad. So you're gonna have cement pad
Yeah.
out 15 feet. So almost out for those bikes.
See a nice barn board vents kind of wrap around here, and a really oasis that you kind of have. Unless the play is to keep looking at it.
Well, or what you could do is like, because he's going to put a basketball court there.
Yeah.
If you brought a bunch of sand in, put a little like sand
Volleyball,
volleyball.
yeah.
That's what
I
like
guess-
Limo did with her high-end cottage that's
Right.
not on the waterfront, is they put in their own beach volleyball court, and that's really how they've been able to separate themselves from the competition. So if you had like a basketball net plus a beach volleyball court.
She had more bedrooms, right?
Yeah, a lot more. Like hers can sleep 20 plus, like it's a 6-bedroom, but then what they did was, it's this upper deck.
Right.
There's nowhere to put it because
So
of that.
that's why you have to cough up a little bit,
Yes.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Because that's how it comes down here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The framing. Well, it's funny. So you drew this on a napkin, and then it just got made, pretty much.
Something like that.
Yeah. A piece of paper, and
Yeah. The law.
love you.
No.
They hate you.
No, I'm just kidding. This guy here actually, we had no power, so he lent us. We had an extension cord running
Oh,
power here
yeah.
to do all the work. Just paid him to help us out. These guys have been nice to me. I haven't really met the other guys on the street, but I met a bunch of ones.
Right. All right, back to London. Let's go. Okay, good road trip with the guys. Thank you, Dan. Appreciate it. Make sure to follow Dan. Hey guys, so there you have it. Should we be purchasing this? Let me know down in the comments section. But really appreciate you guys watching this on the channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.